Maximus or Cicerana, unofficially referred to as the poison bog frog, is an invasive species similar to that of frogman bronze frogs, native to Canada. But this species has taken residence in several bogs around North America. All frogs of this species produces sexually with a cluster of eggs roughly having around 10,000 to 15,000 individuals. It's estimated a few thousand eggs are consumed by some of the bluemouth bass in the area. When an egg is consumed, a thick, protective, sticky wall covers the egg to avoid it being digested by the host when a frog develops in the stomach. This may disrupt food intake due to the sheer size of each developing egg. When consumed, it will stay in the stomach, then violently burst out from the host's mouth when the frog matures, typically causing the organism to die suddenly and abruptly. The poison bog frog leaks poisonous stomach bile as a hunting mechanism through their mouth. The poison bog frog seems to have a preference for fish, but this hunting mechanism does poison the water for anyone who drinks it or the fish that just swim in it. This poison seems to affect the subject's brain system and spinal structure after a short amount of time, estimated at roughly 1 minute for each pound of the creature. The creature will experience extreme fear, they will stiffen up and be completely paralyzed, then consumed in small portions by the poison bog frog. The poison bog frog will dramatically increase its body temperature due to stress. Since it does not have a natural cooling system, this heat will go directly to its stomach bile, causing it to evaporate in a vapor, causing this bog frog to be cooled down. It is important to not crush said egg clusters because the vapor does release when the eggs are crushed. Also, this vapor, when inhaled, causes complex creatures to experience some sort of fear or sadness. The more complex a creature is, the harder this effect is. Humans have experienced immediate and severe depression when inhaling this vapor. The cause of this is thought to be the poison not fully working when transformed into a gaseous form, instead affecting the medulla instead of affecting their brain stem as the gas naturally denatures. Less complex creatures have been observed to just move frantically when the vapor is introduced into the environment. Several boil water notices have already been placed in regions of North America close to these bogs. Civilians are instructed to run if a poison bog frog is spotted and call pest control. Please avoid swimming in areas close to bogs or bogs in general. It has estimated because of these frogs being reintroduced into the area, several deaths have already happened. Since these are all recent and not very well reported, it is estimated that the over 2,000 cases of missing persons report. But if you have any more questions about the poison bog frog or need to know more, please contact the Environmental Protection Agency.